Firmware updates are essential for maintaining the optimal performance and security of your CPU 414-4. These updates often contain critical bug fixes, performance enhancements, and new features that can significantly improve your system's functionality. Imagine your CPU as a highly sophisticated machine that requires regular tune-ups to operate at peak efficiency. Each firmware update is like a tune-up, ensuring that your machine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's crucial to keep your firmware up to date to avoid potential issues down the line. But there's more to it than just installing updates. You need to understand where to find these updates, how to install them correctly, and what to do if you encounter issues. This leads us to the next important step, discovering where to find the latest firmware updates for the CPU 414-4. To locate the official firmware updates for Siemens products, you need to navigate to their support website. The exact URL is support. Automation. Siemens.com. Once there, use the search function to look for your specific CPU model, such as the CPU 414-4. It's crucial to enter the correct model number to ensure you get the right firmware. If you're having trouble finding it, you can also browse through the product categories. Remember, the firmware updates are often listed under the Downloads section of the product page. Make sure to check the release notes for any important information or changes. Alright, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of downloading and installing firmware updates for your CPU 414-4. First, navigate to Siemens' official support website. You'll want to look for the Firmware Updates section, which is typically under the Support tab. Once there, use the search function to find the specific firmware for the CPU 414-4. Download the latest version available. Now, before you proceed with the installation, ensure your system is backed up. This is crucial. Once you've downloaded the firmware, extract the files if necessary. Next, use the Siemens programming software to load the firmware. Connect your device, open the software, and select the firmware update option. Load the firmware file you downloaded, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Remember, a stable power source is essential during this process to avoid any interruptions. To verify that the firmware update was successful, you'll need to perform a series of checks. First, navigate to the device manager on your system. Look for the specific device you updated, which should now reflect the new firmware version. Next, run a diagnostic test to ensure the device is operating correctly under the new firmware. Pay attention to any error codes or unusual behavior. If everything checks out, the final step is to monitor the device's performance over the next few operational cycles to confirm stability. Remember, a successful firmware update not only changes the version number but also improves device functionality and reliability. To wrap up, let's discuss common pitfalls to avoid during firmware updates. First, always double-check the firmware version compatibility with your hardware. Incompatible versions can lead to system failures. Next, ensure your power supply is stable. A power fluctuation during an update can corrupt the firmware. Also, avoid interrupting the update process. This can render your device inoperable. Lastly, keep a backup of your current firmware. This allows you to revert if something goes wrong. Remember, patience and preparation are key. If you follow these guidelines, you'll minimize risks and ensure a smooth update process.